Is it empty? Huh? Shake. Shake. He's trying. Go back and get your M4. Take a breather and go get your M4. Huh? Give me a second to breathe. Wait. Wait. Vehicle. Deuce and a half. Right. Right behind you when we get on the road. Just toss it right behind you. Yeah. Let him down. Don't leave the survivor.
Good. Move up. Okay.
Yeah, taking a breath. What's that about? You got wounded? What's with the carrying? Somebody get hurt? Somebody carrying them. Yeah.
There's two refs down in the town.
Yeah.
Maybe that's where they're going. Right behind you, dude?
Alright. That's NG. Yeah. Get that grenade ready. Something up.
I don't have those.
Gunner. What's up, Alex?
We're not gonna shoot at you. I just wanted to scare you. They just go, oh, here we go.
Give me some bumps, yeah.
Yeah, no, I was just having a good time. We just started screaming at us. Oh, the shit's so funny. I like being a dick. I'm like, like Sam stabbed out.
Yeah.
Okay, when you got us out here, I was like, I'm hurt, and I was like, I don't feel nothing. Alright. Yeah. I got a full air full of ED. We should be good. I got my shoes on.
I just want to fuck with you.
Have fun.
It's all good times.
We need some sporting practice. me check on these guys real quick.
Yo, are y'all good?
Yeah, they're dead.
Hey, you all okay?
Oh, that's not good. That's not okay. I was still there, but I was like, real world.
You okay?
Sorry. We did not hear you. No, it's okay. You didn't engage me after.
Do you need a transport?
I got 3 on
I don't know, we're trying to figure that out now. We just wanted to get in the shade and rest for a second.
Yeah, we did that over there.
So I was running, and then when I went to stop and check on him, I got hit. I was like, all right, well, I'm down. It was a good fight. It was fine.
I was on the ground the whole time. Yeah, I saw him come in the air. Yeah, I know. Wade was blowing up way sooner than we should have like 5 seconds. The guys in black are good. They're like a couple of songs. You guys are still alive, right? You're still in the game? Yeah, I only got out of the game because my guy was down.
Right.
I was down to 1 mag. But we was up to 3. I was like, oh.
What y'all think when you heard
Alright, so, like,
I was running full auto a couple times.
That's who said my first run. I'm the poor man.
I was gonna say, y'all,
We put down some fire back when you though. It's fun. I threw the smoke.
yeah, if, y'all realize, I mean, just come over here, just put your guns up, stay friendly, something like that, because we want to go attack the MG. I mean, if y'all want to. I know it shit didn't work out last time, you know. See, we figured out what happened. Kid on our side threw a grenade. We didn't know what the hell that was. Yeah, we were just like, oh shit, you know, because we had some Black Ops here earlier that, you know, yeah, ruined that trust relationship. And then we heard something like one of our guys was killing some other of our guys, and we're like, what the fuck is going on? Alright man, you guys be safe.
Y'all have fun.
You too, man. Hey, 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 right.
Hey, can you grab Dicky's gun?
Where's that?
Hey, Dick! What? Don't carry your gun.
Fucking shit, is he on the way at too? No, I see some others. I keep falling up, man, it's scared. Yeah, because I got all this shit on my head.
I don't know, like if you don't.
I'm not gonna get shot. Yeah. We won't shoot you.
Like I told him I would tell him not to shoot.
You look straight up thug. Hey. Aaron, come over here real quick. Yeah, we got some, we got tan team coming up. We just want to, right down here. Yeah. Real world. Yeah, one of you guys, Spec Ops blew his knee out. He blew his knee out, so we're just waiting for a minute, yeah. That's fine, man. I've been trying to get people together. I mean, like, some shit fell through earlier because of misunderstandings and shit, but we really wanted to hit the NG. I know they've probably been pestering all y'all, too. Yeah, this way. Blew his knee out. Some guy on Spec Ops. Yeah, you can go ahead and pass if you need to.
I just want to say I like
Oh,
your secondary.
Oh yeah, you
I got
like
the
it?
same one.
Yeah, yeah. Be safe, guys.
That was early. But,
CJ,
Aaron,
let's go. Let's go hunt. No, we're gonna hunt together. We're not gonna sit here and argue over it. Let's go.
Aaron gets some.
I wanna kill some spec ops. I wanna kill some spec ops. I can give you some BBs out here though. Alright, fuck that burn. You know where they're at? Hey. Hey, let's go kill something. Let's go kill something. Let's go kill something. Let's go find them. Okay. No, we'll stay behind. You just keep walking. We'll stay behind. Yep. No. They won't see us. You just walk in like you come back to base. He's gonna lead. Michael. Hey. He's gonna lead. Just don't shoot at like directly.
You guys are gonna.
CJ, put your gun up on me. Put your gun up on me. Get your gun, put it up on my back. Yes. He's gonna take me to the base. You follow behind. Stay close, not too close. No, I'm the hostage here. We're going to your base. I'm defenseless, remember? Okay. We might shoot him. Might shoot him. And what if we didn't do with your gun? Find somebody and take them as a hostage and we'll just be right behind you. And then tell them to push outside and start shooting. I'll just look shit up like that. That way I can fire back when shit goes down too. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Set up. We're gonna go, Wade. That's where the camp. Wow. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Somebody was a decoy. Picture in the road. Yeah, somebody's down there. And, yeah, we got some on the road. Right here. 12. They're crossing it. Nope. They're trying to provide a distraction. They're trying to provide a distraction. They're trying to distract us. Where's Donald? We got a team up here. Want to get so far and then roll smoke down the road and then charge them? Alright. About 150 feet. It may have broke off. Same. Alright. Yeah. Yep. Hey. Hey. NG. National Guard. Yep. Didn't work. Alright. If you can get the numbers, we can get the numbers too, and we'll just add forces. They got it fortified really well. What's this? Let's hope. Alright. Well, we know where the Black Ops camp is if you want to go hit that. They got some of our supplies there anyway. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I saw it coming. Tell your buddies come up. It was a nice try. It was a nice try. So about them Black Ops. About them Black Ops? You still up for the Black Ops? Okay. You could try.
Hey! Want your friend back? Go back to camp!
Okay. Yeah, your buddies left you hanging on that one, bud. Whoa, back up. I'll back off. Why don't we get more civics and just run down the road? Hey! Hey! Contact! Down the road, see if you can get like 2-3 other guys. Also a good way down there. Also a good way down there so we can reposition. Is that a truck? Yep, they want us to go after. Straight down. There he is. He's running. Let's chase him down. Yeah. On flank. Wait. They're doing this for a fucking reason. Could be decoying too. Hey, we got a technical. Wait, hold up. Is that technical? Technical. Coming up the hill. Yeah. On the other road. Come on the other road. Okay. Let's keep advancing, but slowly. They didn't want to pull us off the base. Because there's gunfire ahead. Go to one split down the middle. Yep. That kid got hit. Ahead. You see him running? He may be wanting us to do that. Maybe an ambush. Head back to settlement. Shoot at them. Shoot at them, they fall back. Yep. They want to pull us off the settlement. Pull us off the settlement. One right there. On my 12. 23. He's through the cedar. Yeah, right here. You gotta look real close so you can see him. His arm's poking right behind the tree. Yep. You can get a shot on him. That's one standing. Yep. What's happening back at the camp? What's happening back there? Anything? Yep. They got a fight going on back there. I say we break this. Yeah, let's go head back. Engage. Whoa, it's heavy. There's transport. Wait, nope, that's NG. They're on the mounted truck. NG's on the mounted truck. Gunning, yeah. Yeah. We'll take the left. Gotcha. Watch them woods. They're in the kill house. One got the kill house. Hey. Run up on them. I'll be with you in a second. Ah. We'll make some serious demands here. Like this. You know, good. That's what I'm saying. Yep. I got a little bit of a buzz going on. Yes, sir. I'm getting old. I don't drink much, Duck. I don't hear much. It's a fucking lie, but we go with it. Oh, Dale's. Yeah. Nope. Actually, I think I did. It died. Yeah, it died. Everybody was just straight in on it, wherever they're at. I swear to God, why? Like, why? At least one. Well, looks like we're going to NG then. Oh, grenade. It's not clear. It's all good, man. It's all good. I can shoot. I can shoot well. We just turn around and shoot Michael. Hey, it said the base is clear. Ours. Yeah, let's go for a kill. Him and Jugular. How we doing? Good. Yeah. Yeah. Let's wait for Aaron. You wanna go hit the NG? There's people there? Okay. This might die. This might die. Oh, guy coming with his dead bag. What do you think about doing? NG base is on. I hit somebody. Really far. Like half a mile. Maybe more. Well, CJ did say Black Ops camp is like in that way. Or hit it. I was. I did too.
Oh, that dude.
It says 2 mile walk. NG base. That's what y'all want to do. I'm down for anything. Yeah, I'll take one.
Y'all think you're gonna come take our supplies? We know how to make you all talk, if you're captured. All I got to say is you better watch your hind end. Welcome to the jungle.